Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple web browser such as this one in visualbasic.net in Microsoft Visual Studio. So this does work. In fact, if I type google.com here, it'll navigate to google.com, and same with any other website. So I'm going to close this for now and show you the design and then how the code works to work with the GUI of the design. So this form 1 right here, it has a text box, 3 push buttons, and a web browser object. So this text box serves as a URL, this button serves as to go, back, and forward, just like a normal web browser such as Google Chrome or whatever. This shows whatever the URL, well, whatever website you requested to go to. However, that isn't the only thing it could be used for. I might actually make a video of doing other things with it in the future. So anyway, let's move on to how the code works. So here's my class, form 1, and I made a sub in which button 1 is clicked. I declared a variable called string, well, not called string, a string called URL, and it was equal to whatever textbox1.text was. So textbox1.text is whatever you enter in here, and that in a web browser would be a URL. And so when the button is clicked, the web browser 1 is going to navigate whatever the string or URL is. That's what this sub is saying here. And so this other sub I made is for if you press enter and it navigates to whatever URL you're using. So I declared another URL and it was equal to the same thing. URL and URL2 are the exact same thing. I just had to declare it again because I didn't make it public. That's my mistake. So I made an if and end if statement. So if e.keycode equals keys.enter, that means if enter is pushed, textbox1, key down 1 means if enter is pressed down, then it's going to navigate to whatever the URL is, same with here. Again, so that was with the navigating to a URL code, and so this code over here, it has to do with going forward and backward for web pages. And so whenever button click 1 is, whatever the go button is pushed here, forward, I'm sorry, not go, forward, it's going to go forward to whatever page was previously viewed, or yeah, previously viewed. And so I typed web browser 1.go forward and then no arguments and sub, and I did the same exact thing for the back button. And so yeah, this is how you can make a simple web browser. I will leave a link to this code in the video description so you don't have to type it, you can just copy and paste it. And yeah, to run it you just press F5, google.com. There we go, web browser. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment, like, subscribe.